Hello respected dear viewers, great morning.
I am Muskan from 8th class and she is my co-student from 8th class.
Yes, exactly sis. Today in this video, we are going to represent our global public school Miran.
GPS was established in 2010. This year we are going to celebrate 14 years of excellence education.
Shri Vikas Chandra is the school director. He lacks punctuality of time and discipline in school. Shri Sanjay Kumar is our school principal. He is having experience of 20 years in education sector.
Yes, exactly. If we talk about sir qualifications, sir has completed post graduation as well as B.Ed.
Srimati Sheetal ma'am is school vice principal. She has completed 14 years of education with GPS family.
As we enter in school, from main entrance we come to know about our security.
Yes, sis. Security guard will ask each and everything like name, address, purpose and contact number. As you enter in our school, you come to know about our parking.
As we go ahead straight from the main entrance, we come to know about our wings.
Yes, this is our senior wing.
Senior wings we have classes 11th and 12th along with the physics lab, chemistry lab and biology lab. If we talk about our science faculty, we have Sri Pradeep sir for chemistry. He has all formulas on his tip.
Shri Manjit sir is our physics teacher. He has completed his master in physics. He is expert in theory and practical. Let's move to our physics, chemistry and biology lab.
This is our lab. Let's move to our junior wings. In junior wings, we have LKG to 10th class along with computer lab and admin office. Wait, before going ahead, let's move to our reception area, means our admin office. As we enter in the admin office, this is our principal sir's office. And this is our fee management office. This is our reception area. If we go ahead, this is our director sir's office and we have medical facilities also here. Wow, medical facilities. I want to know it because I want to become a doctor. If any case a student face headache, stomach pain, etc., we have medicine for them. Okay sis, we have done our admin office here. Now let's move to our classes. But we have to visit classes also.
Yes, why not? Let's move to our senior class.
As we enter in our senior class, we come to know about our projector. Through projector, we can learn deeply on an concept. We have 40 benches, fans and light.
The substance which take part in a chemical reaction are called reactants. As you see in this example, sodium and water take part in this reaction. So, sodium and water are the example of the reactant. Why?
Talk about senior classes, we have installed air conditioners too.
It's in school. Wait now, let's talk about our labs.
Before talking about our labs, let's move to our sport classes. Sis, do you know we have computer lab also?
Yes, we have computer lab. We have installed 50 computers. Srimati Babita is our computer teacher. She has completed masters in computer application.
Sis, do you know what is computer literacy? It is very important for us.
Yes, sis, it is very important. Everyone is having fun. Digital education is important.
We learn coding here. Do you know what is coding?
Yes, sis, coding is language of computer. We learn application software and application web. Sis, do you know that we are learning both handwriting?
Yes, with the help of brain exercise, we can write with our both hands.
It works multi-talented.
Yes.
ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद हम कर रहे हैं बी सी डी ई, ठीक है, एफ जी एच आई जे. तो
Sis, do you know we junior wing and senior wing? We have special rooms. Yes, exactly sis. I forgot about it. Children play there and they feel like home here. They enjoy, play and learn.
sports games. Then we have games like volleyball and kho-kho. Yes, these are the most popular games which are played by our school students. Do you know who is our DP? Yes, Shri Deepak Kumar is our DP. He has completed his DPD.
We forgot our most beautiful part of our school. Most beautiful? What is this? This is our morning assembly. We start our morning assembly with Guru Mantra. After that, we proceed for prayer. We follow traditional religion in our school.
Let's start reading. Classes, take the position of Gayatri Mantra.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
Now start the Hindi prayer.
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु.
After prayer, we participate in different types of activities like yoga and brain exercise. Brain exercise increase our IQ, EQ and SQ level.
दूर उस आकाश की गहराइयों में एक नदी से बह रहे हैं आदि योगी. शून्य सन्नाटे टपकते जा रहे हैं. मौन से सब कह रहे हैं आदि योगी. योग के स्पर्श से अब योग में करना है तन मन. सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम प्राण गुंजन धनन गणनम. उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी योग धारा छलक छन छन. सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम प्राण गुंजन धनन गणनम. उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी. उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी.
With your warm wishes, we are ending our words with some important information. As you know, 2023 or 24 session is about to over and 2024-25 session is about to come. GPS family is inviting you to visit Global Public School Miran on 31st March 2024. We will make you sit with the senior professional trainers. In this professional session, you will be talk about your child's weakness and strength. I hope you like the video and we would invite you on PTM 31st March 2024. Thank you.